In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add private listings on eBay, a step-by-step tutorial for beginners designed to guide you with ease through this process. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll begin by starting a new listing on eBay. If you're not already familiar with how to do this, simply log into your eBay seller's account and look for the Sell option, usually found at the top of the home page. Once you click there, you'll be prompted to start a new listing. This interface is user-friendly, making it relatively straightforward for new sellers. You'll be asked to input details about the item you wish to list, such as the title, category, and description. Take your time to fill in accurate information, as this will help potential buyers to find your item easily. Once you've entered your item details, scroll down the page to find a section labeled Listing Preferences. It's easy to miss, so pay careful attention as you navigate down your screen. This section houses various important options that allow you to customize your listing to better meet your selling needs. Within Listing Preferences, you'll have access to several listing options that can affect how your item will appear to potential buyers. Now comes the crucial part: enabling the private listing option. Within the listing preferences, you should spot a checkbox labeled Private Listing. When you select this option, it means only you, the seller, will be able to see the usernames of bidders or buyers. This adds a layer of confidentiality, which can be particularly beneficial if you're selling high-value or sensitive items and wish to protect the identities of your buyers. This feature can also be appealing to buyers who value privacy, ensuring they feel more secure when purchasing. Finally, it's time to save and publish your listing. After reviewing all the input information to ensure everything is correct, look for the Save button located on the listing page. Once saved, you will have the option to either review your listing for final edits or publish it straight away. By choosing to publish, your item will then go live on eBay, visible to bidders and buyers worldwide. Remember, creating private listings can be an effective tool for offering a sense of security and privacy to your buyers, which in turn can foster trust and facilitate successful transactions. With these steps, you're now equipped to create a private listing on eBay, allowing you to cater to a more privacy-conscious clientele effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!